Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is April 9th, 2025, and we're diving into Bitcoin, ticker symbol BTCUSD. We're going to analyze both current news events and the recent chart data to understand where Bitcoin might be headed. There's been a lot happening, including the White House confirming 104% tariffs against China and the Justice Department shutting down its cryptocurrency fraud unit. We'll explore how these events could be influencing Bitcoin's price action. First, let's take a look at the daily chart. We can see a lot of volatility with recent candles. We had a strong surge upward, followed by a significant correction. Now, let's zoom in and look at a more granular time frame. Switching to the 1-hour chart, we can see the chop more closely, particularly over the past few weeks. We see Bitcoin recently hit a high near 80,000 before sharply declining. Let's examine some key levels of support and resistance on this 1-hour chart. If we narrow in on a shorter time frame, let's say the last 2 days on the 15-minute chart, we can identify some short-term trading opportunities. Notice the consolidation patterns and breakouts. Currently, based on the news about tariffs and the Justice Department closing its crypto fraud unit, we might expect further downward pressure on Bitcoin. However, it's important to remember Michael Saylor's stance, viewing Bitcoin as digital gold. If the stock market continues to experience turbulence due to Trump's tariffs, Bitcoin could find renewed strength as investors seek a safe haven asset. Key price levels to watch include previous resistance around 72,000, the recent high of 71,761, and the current resistance around 70,000. On the downside, we're looking at potential support near 67,500 and 65,000. If those levels break, further downside is possible. Long-term, a bullish outlook hinges on Bitcoin's ability to reclaim and hold above 80,000. A bearish scenario becomes more likely if it fails to hold above 65,000, opening the door for a test of lower levels. Remember to watch for any further news about trade, regulations, or major network events, as these could significantly impact Bitcoin's trajectory. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts.